Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. And you can click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now. And check out, they'll ship this to you really fast. Hopefully you guys are having a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And we have, it's coming from Quntis. Smart PD charging station, IntelliSense, USB-C PD charger 3.0, Qualcomm quick charge. Bada boom, oh, that's cool. We'll give this a little test run. Over voltage protection, over current protection, short circuit protection. That was a good movie. Over temperature, overload. Bada boom, UK, shout out to you guys. Game and MP3 headset, camera, iPad, iPhone, computer, Chromebook, you name it. This thing will do it. I'll probably like for Switch also. You never know. See how powerful this thing is. It looks sweet though. Definitely futuristic. Get it to the side. Close the hatch. So definitely check these guys out. It's always good to have a few of these around the house, especially these days and time. We got the base, so you can have your phone, tablet, whatchamacallit, kind of looks like a hard drive. Here we go. Oops. C1, C2, A1, A2, A3. So that's like for a laptop, Chromebook, same thing. And then the USBs, really nice. Plug it in there. Here is the power cord. More twist ties. There we go. So I got this fused in. I got a spot open to plug it in. We'll be rocking in a minute. Plug it in. Just there. And it's cool. Okay, we got that part done. Now let's juice her up. Does it light up? Yep, there's a light down here. See the light? It's good to go. Oops. And next we're gonna grab some stuff and charge. Alright guys, I had it on backwards actually. That's how it's supposed to look. Oops, my bad. So there we go. Now I got my Chromebook. Plug this into the top. Got the cord right here. Plug this into the side. Right over here. There we go. That's cool. Now I have another phone charging, headphones, you name it. This thing does it all. Close that video. Check this out. See it down there? It is charging. Really cool. And like I said, you can have like another USB or two USBs and another USB type C. So it all depends on what you want to charge. And definitely a nice little room saver. You know, nice for the desk and everything. So, definitely check them out. Quntis. Smart PD charging station. Really cool stuff they got coming out. Alright, YouTubers, be safe and see you guys in the next video.